So, let's start from the beginning. Run the clip. It's crazy. Ooh. Pissing me off. You don't know. So today is October 4th, 2025. The time is currently 9:06. We were supposed to be at the Pilates class at 9, but this dear still ain't left her house. So I stopped to get me some coffee. Like, girl, please. After work today, so we really might not do too much today, but we do got a good little next couple days coming up. So I do need my lashes done, like, really bad, but I don't want to get any, like, maintenance done until around Halloween.
Hi, thank you for choosing Dunkin'. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a medium iced caramel coffee, extra sugar and cream, please? So we're at Dunkin'. Coffee is secured. We on the way to Pilates now. And we have the last. I'll be back for sure. You missed that first. We didn't either. We done right in. I should have brought my fan from that car.
Pull forward, stretching over the front of your leg. All the way down. Yeah.
Turn your. This is for the YouTube vlog. Yes, I do. Oh, she said put the circle on your leg and pull it. I ain't get my done to Halloween. So. It don't make no sense if I get them done now. Halloween in 2 weeks. Because this week already over. Who you want to come with? Y'all bitches need to get y'all. We in public. I think y'all got pissing me off. I don't even know how to do it. That's what I can do, sister. I can do that one. Sit on it. King.
Yeah, lay it on back. Lay it on back. Oh my God. Rock it in right to left. Good. Let's take that right foot and place it on top of the left knee. Good. Now we're going to bring that foot up. Both shoulders flat on the mat. Good. Now
Let me zoom out. We're about to go outside to the machines. So yeah, we'll resume this out there. My 10 a.m. alarm to stretch is going off. Hold on. Let me show the girls, because they'll never believe me if I don't show it to them. My 10 a.m. alarm to stretch is going off. I stretch every day. I never needed a class to stretch.
Exactly.
Oh, okay, it's crazy. Ooh. What movie is that? Where she was like, you feel like you gotta get low. Y'all, I really want you to know. What you say? You feel what?
I feel loose. You got that one friend that can't never act like
Never.
I swear, this is me behaving. I swear.
No, that's the problem. This is you behaving. What? Y'all, look at all the machines. Looks so nice. This was a great idea. You supposed to be in the two-piece TikTok set. I don't see nothing TikTok on you, hoes. They paid one of us. You're right. You got a point there. You got a point there. I didn't know you like muchachos. What did I ever do to you? Gotcha. I want you to know this is filming for YouTube. So everybody's going to see how you treat me as a friend. And I'm a great friend and you're just so mean. So nasty and so rude.
The most mean friend we have.
So
Definitely left my cash in the car.
you got cash, yeah? She wanna be next to me. So the rich TTs is outside doing their pill lattes.
I am not the rich auntie. Don't ask me for shit.
Actually,
She is.
I'm just the rich Instagram auntie. I'm not.
Every meal you got, the richest auntie you could find.
Facts.
And that's the one.
Because if I ever want to be tricked off on, I just call Lexi.
That ass is sending me links. I want this. I'm gonna start doing mine because
She don't never send me nothing back that she wants, so I just let her do the tricking.
yeah.
Immediately, yes,
Absolutely.
yes.
It's already clean. It's ready for you, okay?
Lexi, don't piss me off.
3 phones. Only use one.
Only use one. Okay, Johnny. We're here. Nadira, she's doing it again. Nurse, she's out again. Nurse, he's out again.
Where are you gonna supposed to at? There's nothing open until.
Okay, well then we finna go to Jazz house, go get her key.
How? They don't open until 3.
Didn't I just say we finna go to Jazz house, go get her key?
I know you guys are together, so I was like,
You know I ain't going to go get her.
one blue, one green, and one yellow. Sometimes 2 blues, depending on which one you're on. All right, and so we'll just adjust that throughout class. Most of the times, our red is our highest. Blue is medium.
Now we gotta make investment.
Slowly resist on the way down, bending the knees. Yes, press away through those heels. Put a strong flexion lift so you can rock the knees from side to side just to warm up the spine a little more. Beautiful. Now we'll take
Stretched, relaxed. The summer body is here.
The summer body is here. Cause you know summer about to come up. So Lexi, you know summer about to come up. So we gotta get our bodies right. Ooh.
Summer, spring, fall.
Spring, summer. Joggers. So basically just download the app and it'll tell us what we need to. Ooh, I look glossy. My face is shiny like koi. So that was TikTok. We about to go to Cookie Land. Then we're going to an open house.
No, we're going to an open house first. Then
Okay, whatever. I don't know where we going. Shit, I'm just following these hoes. Girl, mine's is dirty.
no, mine's is like filthy.
And my car ain't even
I
white.
can't even see the silver on my rim.
My truck is red and my car is so dirty.
I'm gonna have a Mexican.
I'm talking about my truck is red and my car is so dirty. My truck is red and my truck is so dirty. I'm stupid. All right, so we fit to head out. Definitely Pilates, 10 out of 10, 100% will be back multiple times a week. That is a great workout. Love that. So yeah. Lexi ass left before us and we still be here. You know she got to stop for her ice. That's her problem now. Look at her.
Like she can trail. That's the problem. They can barely see over the steering wheel.
That's what I be saying. That shit pulling from her. That shit pissed me off when she sits so low and can't sit over the steering wheel.
Like raise your seat up. How do you even see?
Pissing me off.
You can't even see this bitch forehead.
You can't even see over the steering wheel, Lexi. You need to get your life together. I don't like your attitude. You know what? Drive off on this bitch.
That shit is high as fuck. No, they did not. When I first moved
Can
to
we
Pines,
still
my
go
mama-
look at it?
My mama bought that house.
No, I never been to her house. This is not a parallel parking area. You supposed to.
Do y'all want me to fix my driving?
We want you to fix The car. Oh, look, they got charging stations around. I could come over here, charge my car, smoke a hookah.
Where you see a charging station?
Right there, EV charging station.
So it's good for you to move over here. Yay!
I ain't moving back no Covington. You might have got me at We got champagne.
Pineapple over here.
Don't eat the pineapple, Nadira. Don't eat the pineapple. We don't have your EpiPen. Yeah, I like this. I really like this, actually. This a hookah area. It ain't no carpet in the rooms. I love it.
Girl, please.
They got a Jack and Jill room.
It's a tub in here, perfect, because the master don't got no tub. But I don't be mad at that when other rooms got a tub, but I prefer my room to have the tub. I like to soak my cooter once a week. This tub kind of thin, but I'm not mad at it.
You said thin?
Yeah, like it's not wide enough.
Yeah. What's this?
That's how I get to the other room. Yeah. Okay, I can dig this little private shitting area. Oh, so this. Oh, okay. It go this way. Yeah, I didn't know which way the door was going to go. Oh, this is big. This room is still big. I wouldn't be mad at making that my main and then connecting this as my closet or beauty room. And then making that the guest room.
Oh, it's another.
Oh, so the washing machine is upstairs. I need to look around this room somehow. She right here. That master is it's not bad. I like it. What's crazy is that Jack and Jill room on the other side, that room is big too. It's bigger than this. This will be my beauty room closet. These lights on next to the bathrooms might work. She said we can find out. Don't worry about it. If it's toilet tissue in there. Oh, it worked. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, because we got 3 more. So it's 3 or 4. I need that book too. Oh, my Chase app, they said they'll pre-approve me for $300,000. Immediately, yes, we love the hookah area. Don't ask me crazy questions.
Because your dog don't need to be over here pooping.
And won't, because come pick it up. Thank you. Yeah, this is really nice. Oh my God, I know how to count. Oh, ring camera, I'm scared down. Oh, this is the bathroom. Yeah, the bathroom's real out the way. I don't gotta hear you pee, shake, none of that. I would remove this chandelier though. It's so low, and we do why we're down to break that. Yeah, I don't have them higher raise it. Yeah. She got money. I'm not giving you one here. My sister moving me. My sister moving me. Oh, the whole area big. Yeah, this house way bigger. Oh, this master is way bigger. This master is bigger. Still my tub in here.
Yeah.
See, please, like, you can't see nothing but other houses. Stop it. Oh, this only got one sink though. This only got one sink. For this yeah. Let me get my room. Okay, we're going to another open house. So, yeah, I like the way this kitchen set up. It's not shoved in the corner. It's not small. Yeah, that's my purpose. We don't like these. Use that. It's tiny. It's definitely my closet, big room. Yeah, this one's tiny. Yeah, oh, this one is cool. This one right back. Oh, I like the tub because it's deep. I don't like the all that tub. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice color. This one's fine. I like the bathroom. I don't like the sinks. Not even a little bit. The sinks are outdated. Granted, new one is shiny, but they're outdated. It's 2004. And what the fuck is the closet? Is there no master closet? It pissed me off.
I love it too.
Oh, yeah, this is cute. Oh, this is real nice. For sure.
Told you. So you got living room, dining room, bathroom, kitchen. You see this up here?
And it's another bath. How many bathrooms in this one? 3.5, bitch. I just saw 2 halves. So the one downstairs, the one right here.
The one downstairs is a full bathroom because that's a bedroom.
That was it sure was. I forgot that bedroom was even down there.
Can you walk upstairs again?
Who finna?
That you sleeping in there one night?
Even if you put a full size bed in there, it's still gonna take up a lot of space.
A twin size, so you can get the fuck out.
This one kind of tight, but I'm not mad at it.
I'm not gonna mistake.
Ooh, I'm not.
Hookah corner.
You every corner not no hookah. I don't like these.
I knew you was gonna like it.
I don't like these sinks. They old. They old. These I don't like these type sinks. Okay, close it. We're close it. Let's take it. Look, I'm not in here. Well, my vanity ain't finna fit over there. My vanity is 2 windows put together.
You have a small vanity.
What the fuck? Oh, hell no.
It's not that small.
I would make this my vanity because all my stuff don't fit in a regular closet. So.
I would literally put a shelf right here for my shoes though. In here.
Yeah, I would just make this vanity, accessories, purses, stuff like that. Put my clothes and shit somewhere else.
Closet, your real closet shoe.
Yeah.
Love this one down.
This one's not bad.
If you working this month,
We're at Chipotle, about to spend $18 on a goddamn steak burrito. $10.62. Gotcha. I'm glad you know your total.
car, I'm gonna send you to where you don't want to go. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna send you. I'm about to send you somewhere you don't want to go, bitch. I'll tell you right now. I'm not even.
I'm just gonna take that because
ain't no mother. You think you about to be eating beans, rice, and fucking chicken and shit in my goddamn car?
I don't eat chicken.
I don't give a. Don't piss me off. I'm about to get mad.
hey, I'm done fucking the rest of the day. Like,
Take it off before I wear your ass out.
No, because you pissing me the off. Bitch, you supposed to get the motherfucking hookah. Your ass in here playing footsie.
can you get the hookah so we can go? I got to be to work at 3. Somebody go to the door and get the bitch. I'm not finna fuck around and play with these bitches. Get in the front seat to pull off. Okay, so we just left Chipotle. We at QT now because Lexius wanted some Doritos. And we about to go smoke a knob at one of our friends' house. And then we got to be to work. Well, I got to be to work in an hour. So an hour and a half. So we're going to see how much fun we get to have before I go to work from 3 to 2 in the morning. 3 in the afternoon to 2 in the morning. Then I got to work again tomorrow from 12 in the afternoon to 6. And then Monday I got to work 1 to 6. Tuesday I got to work 1 to 6. And Wednesday is up in the air right now. So, yeah.
What I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry.
We are having a Momo party. Aida. The Gita. And I was just going crazy. Good morning. We this one, Nadira, do it again. That's what Lacey was doing on top of your car that night. Good morning, vlog. I'm on the way to my infusion appointment, so we will pick up when I get there because I'm driving. So yeah. So I'm about to walk in. My infusion is probably gonna take like 3-4 hours, and then I'm going to Tori's house because I miss my best friend. Like I ain't seen her in like 2-3 weeks. Just moved into a new apartment and we had an unpacking party, and I did 100% of the unpacking. So her and Nasia are gonna cook for me. I love having friends. Yay. Okay, so excuse me. I have to go do labs before I can go get my infusion. So that's probably like an extra 30 minutes. Well, maybe 10, honestly. I don't like to film this area. I feel like it's rude, so I'll be right back. So I'm watching Housewives in the meantime. I've been binge watching probably for like 2 weeks now. We are free and my band matches my outfits. Chef's kiss. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to get Chipotle. I found one. I found one. We are here with Ryan, and she is just running around getting into everything. Please. But honey, we outside tonight. I forgot my tripod in the car, so I'm on the way to get that. And what's crazy is what reminded me is that I needed it was, hold on. I'm vlogging.
What you doing?
I'm vlogging. Welcome JoJo to the vlog. Okay. Welcome Ayana to the vlog. We're out for. She's taking a BC. Okay, Lex is far away. Hold on, stop. Stop. Auntie's, get in the vlog. Auntie's is outside. We the aunties. Bitch, I'm better be 25. I'm up there now.
Maybe I'm the auntie.
You are the youngest in the room.
I am.
She is the youngest in the room. The youngest in the building might be a drag. Did they start bingo yet? What it is? I'm outside. Oh, so you out there with another girl?
You was playing that right when you dropped me off. That was stuck in my head.
What? Ooh, lemon drop. Yay! I don't want to put your face in that violation. Hello. She's making the rest of those. Yay! Lemon drop.
I need a lemon.
I got 2 lemon drops already. It's supposed to be looking like. Yeah.
Everything okay at home?
No, actually.
Child, you need to talk to the lady.
I didn't talk to that lady.
Only been days, but it feel like months. When gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell.